The next award is the award for the best policy advocacy, which goes to the Northeast chapter once again. Monisha ji, please come back. The next award is the award for creating women entrepreneurs at the grassroots level. This has been won by the Coimbatore chapter. Swati Rohit, please could you come up? The next award is an easy guess. It's the Total Number of Events Award. This has been won by the Calcutta chapter. Sabina Rungta, please could you come up and accept the award? The next award is the Best Interstate Award, which goes to the Ahmedabad chapter. Sajni Dua, please could you come up on stage? The best Y-Flow event was by the Hyderabad chapter. Ashita Naval Garya, please could you come up? The next award is the Best Flow Initiative Award, which goes to the Ludhiana chapter. I call upon Komal Agarwal to please take this award. The Y-Flow Outstanding Achievement Award goes to the Kolkata chapter. Richa Mohta, please could you come and accept the award? The Flow and the Y-Flow Synergy Award goes to the Delhi Y-Flow chapter. I don't know, can I say chapter? Y-Flow goes to Delhi, Garima Jain. Now for the main award. I request Abhaji to please come on stage. The Best Chapter Award goes to the Northeast Chapter. I request Chapter Chair Monisha Barwa to please come and accept her award. I request Monisha ji to say a few words. Monisha ji is going to say a few words.
Hello, 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 hello. Hey, the past presidents, hello. Hello. Shh. We want Monisha to say a few words.
When I came for orientation, actually, when I was asked to speak, I really fumbled. I didn't know what to say. And today, to receive the best award, actually, it's so much for me. It means a lot. I always thought I was not chairperson material. I always said no, no, no. But finally, after receiving this, yes, so much of confidence I've gained. And I'm not computer savvy also. For example, when I was doing the CRM, every time I get stuck with the Excel sheet, I used to call my sons. They come and just touch and it was done, you know. So much of learning. It was fun. And thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Monisha. It's really nice. Thank you.
Monisha, when you go back, weigh yourself maybe 1 pound or 2 pounds more.
I request the awardees to please come back on stage with their awards for a photograph. I also request Madhu ji, Kavita ji, Neeta ji and Manju Kalra ji to join the awardees for a picture.
No, but they've been very good with communications and all. I've been looking into the communications and we're just getting everything like immediately.
Hello. Just. Can I have your attention for 5 more minutes? 5 more minutes. Can we have the last picture? The governing body. You know, I would not have been able to achieve what I was able to do through this year if it was not for my, actually the GB members, the chapters were there, definitely the chapter chairs were amazing, past presidents, but I have to do a special thank you to all my governing body members. So I'm going to call them one by one on the stage and just hand a token of appreciation to each one of them. They've been amazing. They've been taking my calls. I've troubled them. I've done everything possible. And for this program also, they've been standing right next to me to make sure that we run through it minute by minute. So I'm just going to call each one of them.
Yeah. Anuja. Where's Anuja? She was sitting outside. Sarita, can you just go and call her? Archana Garodia Gupta. Deepika Jindal is not here. Only after. Garima Jain. They need a round of applause, guys. Harjinder. Anuja, please. Anuja. Garima, where are you? Harjinder Kaur. Garima, please come. Lipika Sood. Mamta Singhania is not here. Meera Goyal. Meenal Somani. Neeta Buchra. Priya Hingurani. Ritu Vadera. Ritu Vadera. Sandhya Sethi. Sangeeta Gupta. Shilpi Arora. Meenal. Vasvi Bharatram. Vidhi Singhania is not here. Archana Luthra. इन लोग का बोल देना तो हमको वगैरह का मेरा नाम बोल दो ना मंजू कालरा इसका
And of course, Jayanti Dalmia.
I would like the Secretariat, I want to start with Dr. Manju Kalra. I mean, I would not have been able to do what I wanted to do if it was not for the Secretariat. And Dr. Manju has been there, putting all the rules, what is the protocol. I didn't know any protocol. And I never believed in protocol. So she used to always tell me, no, this is the protocol. So thanks, Manju, for doing that. I'm going to call upon Smita. Okay, Ankurita. Actually, I was going to call Ankurita last. Where's Ankurita? Can we have Smita, Ankurita and Anshu here, please? Manju? Let me tell you, I have to say especially for Ankurita, absolutely an amazing person. It was a pleasure to work with Ankurita. I have to all three of them were very good. But I have to make a special mention because what I started with it and what I have, by the end of the year, she used to write exactly the way I wanted it to be written. I mean, now the notes used to come in without even, I didn't even need to add a line or anything. So that was, she came to know me so well. So I think they're not here, none of them. Okay, so till the time they come back, I'm going to ask Jayanti to give her concluding remarks, please.
Thanks, Malvika. This was unexpected. Good evening, friends. I will not take very long. A quote, "Today is life, the only life you are sure of. Make the most of today. Get interested in something. Shake yourself awake. Let the winds of enthusiasm sweep through you. Live today with gusto." Dale Carnegie. This is what we followed under the leadership of Malvika. What a whirlwind year 2013 has been. While, on one hand, carrying on the legacy of the past presidents and governing bodies' great work, we have created new avenues for flow to grow to keep pace with changing times. Events like the Interstate Meet in Delhi, GB Meets at Hyderabad and Ahmedabad, business delegation to Uzbekistan have given us all the opportunity to interact, network and bond extensively. Working with renowned professionals in different skill areas was an excellent learning experience. The workshops, talks and events have taught us so many things that today when I look back, I feel that I have really enriched from the experience. The interaction with YFlow and the team under Garima helped in building the bridges of the generation gap. Yet another facet that added spice to the experience and inspired us all is the recognition of the chapter awards and felicitation of 30 achievers in various walks of life amongst our members. Our congratulations to all the chapters and members for their remarkable work. We also proudly today release the special issue of 30 years of Flow's glorious existence. We really enjoyed the association with everyone very much and keenly look forward to enhance the relationship in coming times. We would like to inform you that tomorrow we start our program at 10:30 with registration, followed by a talk by Sadhvi Bhagwati ji on the inner journey and felicitation of 11 women entrepreneurs at grassroots level by Nazma Hebdullah ji, and then the change of guard after lunch. Please be there. It will be fun. Thank you for being here today. The special issue is available for sale outside for everyone. And now for the fun part. Please do join us from delicious Delhi ki chaat and chai outside. Thank you.
Ankurita, Anshu, Smita. Come on. Ankurita, Smita, come. Ankurita, come. Guys, give them a big hand, please. Hello, 1 minute. Give them a big hand.